Good morning, everyone. Tomorrow is game day, so today I'm going to bake some crunchy breadsticks for us to munch on during the game. Let's get started with the ingredients. In my mixing bowl, I will combine 120 grams of water, 75 grams of active sourdough starter, plus 30 grams of olive oil. And for the dry ingredients, I have 260 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. So the first thing I want to do is combine all my dry ingredients, my sugar and salt, and I'll whisk them to make sure that it's all evenly distributed. There. Now for my wet ingredients, there's my 75 grams of starter, I'm going to whisk everything together a little bit to dissolve the starter. And now we add our dry ingredients. Time to start kneading the dough by hand. Okay, I'm going to take it out of the bowl and knead it to develop the gluten. There it is. We're going to let this rest until it doubles in size. I'm now going to mix the second batch. In this batch, instead of Italian seasoning, I'm going to use za'atar. I love za'atar as a spice. It is slightly sweet, lemony, Mediterranean flavor. Time to get my hands dirty. Oh guys, I just wish you could smell how aromatic this dough is. I think it is ready. Yeah. Lightly oiled bowl. We'll let it rest for about 2-3 hours until it doubles in size. Oh, this smells delicious. There it is. Okay, we're gonna cut into 1/2-inch strips. So now each strip I'm going to gently twist and place on my baking sheet. So this bowl of dough yielded 18 sticks, which we will now brush up with some egg wash. I'm gonna add just a touch of garlic to the top. That's it. And now we put them in the oven at 375 for 20 minutes. Okay guys, batch number 1 just came out of the oven. They look beautiful and I'm starting to shape batch number 2. There they are guys, these are our game day breadsticks. Look at this. They turned out great. Let's try them. With some marinara sauce. Cheers. Yeah, I'm ready for game day. I don't even care who wins anymore. I'm just gonna eat these. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye.